Over the past several years, a dramatic shift has occurred in the marketplace. This has created a digital economy where businesses must leverage software to create innovation or face a major risk of becoming obsolete. IT organizations are having to support an ever-increasing number of applications, and as these software portfolios change and grow, it becomes increasingly difficult to plan, build, test, and deliver these applications. IT organizations are now faced with the urgent need to deliver software releases faster across many areas of their business. But the needs of the business are varied depending on the different markets and customers they serve. This dynamic and changing environment typically includes legacy core technologies alongside new growth businesses supported by both waterfall and agile development methodologies dispersed across all environments from mainframe to the cloud. To get speed while minimizing the risk, you need a solution that orchestrates and automates the release process based on the unique requirements of each business. In this new environment, release control and deployment automation are critical to ensure fast, low-risk delivery and provide a basis for governance across the continuous delivery pipeline. In short, you need release orchestration. So, how do you get there? Enter Micro Focus Release Control and Micro Focus Deployment Automation. First, Micro Focus Release Control enables organizations to plan, control, and orchestrate the release process for distributed systems and mainframe, from definition to deployment, providing a visual release calendar and automated approval processes. Users can plan, track, and control all their release content and automated deployment tasks and actions, all through an intuitive visual interface, supported with actionable insights from dashboards and reports. Micro Focus Release Control also provides for easy integration into your existing infrastructure with out-of-the-box support for common applications and tools. Plugins are also available to align data from different systems without the need for a full data sync, and even allowing for the creation of custom integrations. Next, Micro Focus Deployment Automation enables repeatable, reliable, and audit-compliant processes to simplify application deployments, reduce risk, and increase the velocity of delivery across all environments of your delivery pipeline. With an easy-to-use drag-and-drop process designer that allows you to create, visualize, and reuse deployment processes. Micro Focus Deployment Automation also provides model deployments at both the application and the component level that are reusable in all environments. With a graphical user interface that provides easy access to environment-specific properties, visibility into pipeline automation, including support for no-touch deployments and detailed deployment history. And like Micro Focus Release Control, Micro Focus Deployment Automation provides out-of-the-box support for common application deployment tools, as well as an extensible plugin environment. Micro Focus Release Control and Micro Focus Deployment Automation help organizations solve the complex problem of continuous delivery of high-quality software and bridge the DevOps divide. Release control and deployment automation enables teams to gain control with actionable insights to track releases from inception all the way to production. For more information, please visit us at microfocus.com.